Okay, come on page number 18 of your book. The topic is homeostasis. It means maintenance of the internal body environment, or the making of the internal body environment constant. What is the major concepts which will inshallah go through in this topic? Homeostasis in plants. Yes, how the plants can maintain their internal equilibrium. Homeostasis in humans, urinary system of humans, and disorders of kidney. Okay, we can have the reading of the today's topic. Homeostasis may be defined as the maintenance of the internal conditions of body in an equilibrium. Equilibrium means balance, despite changes in the external environment. I have told in my lecture there that whatever the changes, whatever the temperature in the outside environment, our body is supposed to maintain a balanced temperature. For example, the core temperature, the basic temperature. Core means the basic temperature of the human body remain at 37 degrees Celsius despite fluctuation in the surrounding air temperature. Similarly, the blood glucose level remain about 1 gram per liter despite eating a meal rich in carbohydrates. In the same way, the blood glucose should be in a balance also. Blood cells need the internal environment in which the conditions do not change much. Stable internal conditions are important for efficient functioning of enzymes. The following are some processes of homeostasis. Come on the first one, osmoregulation. Osmoregulation, it is a maintenance of the amount of water and salts in the body fluid, that is blood and tissue. We know that relative amount of water and salts in the blood fluid and inside cells control the processes of diffusion and osmosis, which are essential for the functioning of the cell. If you people remember osmosis, that whenever we are having this excessive amount of water inside our cell, it can go to the other cell. So just remember that concept and just put it here, and in this way the body cells are supposed to maintain the amount of water inside them. Okay, the second one, thermoregulation. The maintenance of the internal body temperature is called thermoregulation. Now here they have given us the link of the thermoregulation to the topic, I guess 6 of your grade 9. The enzymes of the body work best at particular temperatures, optimum temperatures. Any change in the body temperature may affect the functioning of the enzymes, because we know that there was one characteristics of the enzyme, that enzymes become denatured on a very high or on a very low temperature, and at a very high or at a very low temperature the enzymes are not able to perform their proper functions. So that's why our body need a balanced body temperature, so that the enzymes can work best, and enzymes can work best at a body temperature. Third one, excretion. Excretion is also a process of homeostasis. In this process, the metabolic waste, it means chemical, whatever the chemical reactions that are happening, we call them metabolic waste. Metabolic waste are eliminated, means removed. Eliminated means removed from the body to maintain the internal conditions at equilibrium. Equilibrium means balance. Now here, what they have just written here, metabolic waste mean any material that is produced during body metabolism and that may harm the body. Means that the metabolic waste or the metabolic chemicals should be removed out of the body. So again, what is your task for this topic? You will make a key sketch by giving the main heading homeostasis, then give just 3 arrows will come down the homeostasis. With the word homeostasis, you will also define it in the one word, that homeostasis means maintenance of the internal body environment. 3 processes, osmoregulation. Here you can give a brief 2 to 3 points for the osmoregulation, that it is the maintenance of the amount of the water inside our body. Second one, thermoregulation, and third one is the excretion. And in this way we will just have the clear idea about what is homeostasis and how the process of the homeostasis is taking place. So this is all about my today's topic. Inshallah, in our next topic we will go in the detail, study how the plants are having the specialized organs to maintain their internal body conditions, to have the homeostasis inside their bodies. So I guess the idea become very clear to you people. Stay happy and safe at home, and please do this written work. Make a flow sketch of the homeostasis with the 3 processes on your copy. Allah Hafiz, my students, and give me a good feedback of your studies. Allah Hafiz.